I have a message from the President on the nomination of Professor Kindiki, EGH, to fill the vacancy in the office of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya. Order. Order, members. Honorable members, pursuant to the provisions of Standing Order 42.1, I wish to report to the House that today morning I have received a message from His Excellency the President regarding the nomination of Professor Kindiki, EGH, to fill the vacancy which has occurred in the office of the Deputy President of the Republic of Kenya following the impeachment of the previous office holder. Honorable members, as you are aware, Article 149(1) of the Constitution provides as follows, and I quote, "Within 14 days after vacancy in the office of the Deputy President arises, the President shall nominate a person to fill the vacancy, and the National Assembly shall vote on the nomination within 60 days after receiving it." Honorable members, as you are aware, for a person to hold the office of Deputy President, the person must meet the requirements specified in Article 148, as read together with Article 137 of the Constitution. In the message, His Excellency the President indicates that as a prerequisite to the nomination, he sought and received confirmation from the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC, that the candidate is qualified to vie for election as a member of Parliament in accordance with Article 137(1) of the Constitution. Further, His Excellency the President confirms that he has sought and received clearances from the following institutions with respect to the candidate. 1. The Kenya Revenue Authority, KRA. B. The Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission, EACC. C. The Directorate of Criminal Investigations, DCI. D. The Higher Education Loans Board, HELB. And E. The Commission for University Education. Honorable members, in a testament to the foregoing, His Excellency the President has annexed the following documents in relation to his nominee. A. Certified true copy of his certificate of birth. B. Certified true copy of his national identity card. C. Certified copies of his university degrees and other academic certificates. D. Certification of foreign university degrees by the Commission for University Education. E. Passport size photograph. F. Curriculum vitae and testimonials. G. Confirmation of compliance with Article 137 of the Constitution from the Independent Electoral and Boundaries Commission, IEBC. H. Confirmation of citizen status by the National Registration Bureau, Office of the Registrar of Persons. I. Confirmation of membership status in a political party from the Office of the Registrar of Political Parties, ORPP. J. Policy party membership confirmation from the United Democratic Alliance, UDA. K. Chapter 6 of the Constitution, statutory clearances on leadership and integrity from 1. Tax compliance certificate, Kenya Revenue Authority. 2. Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission. 3. Certificate of good conduct from